Hi everyone, welcome again. I hope my last videos were helpful for your progress in Turkish. In today's video, we're going to learn basic and simple sentences. Are you ready? Here we go. We're going to learn some vocabularies and nouns, some adjectives, and we'll make some basic and simple sentences. Nouns: öğretmen, teacher, öğrenci, öğrenci, student, sokak, sokak, street, ev, ev, home, masa, masa, table, sandalye, sandalye, chair, ağaç, ağaç, tree, çiçek, çiçek, flower, kalem, kalem, pencil, silgi, silgi, eraser, orman, orman, jungle, deniz, deniz, sea, uçak, uçak, airplane, araba, araba, car, kitap, kitap, book, çanta, çanta, bag, kahve, kahve, coffee, çay, çay, tea, yer, yer, ground, gökyüzü, gökyüzü, sky, gömlek, gömlek, shirt, pantolon, pantolon, pants, duvar, duvar, wall, pencere, pencere, window, elma, elma, apple, ceviz, ceviz, walnut, kedi, kedi, cat, köpek, köpek, dog, göz, göz, eye, burun, burun, nose, bebek, bebek, baby, adam, adam, man, su, su, water, ekmek, ekmek, bread, bilgisayar, bilgisayar, computer, cep telefonu, cep telefonu, mobile phone, adjectives, büyük, büyük, big, küçük, küçük, small, lezzetli, lezzetli, delicious, güzel, güzel, beautiful, iyi, iyi, good, kötü, kötü, bad. Simple sentences. A simple sentence in Turkish consists of at least two parts. 1. Noun. 2. Adjective. For example, çiçek güzel. Çiçek güzel. The flower is beautiful. Elma lezzetli. Elma lezzetli. The apple is delicious. Ev büyük. Ev büyük. The house is big. Ceviz küçük. Ceviz küçük. The walnut is small. Kitap iyi. Kitap iyi. The book is good. As you see in Turkish sentences, there is no need for the verb to be, and the sentence structure is complete with the same structure. Now you can make more sentences using words and adjectives to learn and practice more. And that's all for today, guys. Thanks for watching. If you want to stay updated, make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell. Have a nice day!